when you can do your hair yourself and give it everything I wanted to give. Period.
So we're gonna hop right into the video because I'm so excited to share with you all this very cheap and easy way to install these boho braids yourself. That is the braided hair that I'm using, and this is the human hair that I'm using. I'm actually using an old V-part wig. I mean, why not? It has tracks on it. All I did was cut the hair off because this was the exact texture that I wanted, and it came out so pretty. I am using the Shine and Jam and this edge booster for around my edges because my hair is a little softer around my edges. A hack to save y'all some time. And listen, I'm gonna need you to listen to me. You need to pre-section your braiding hair and your human hair. Okay, this little stand that I got from the beauty supply store, it honestly was only enough to do about 3 to 4 rows on my head, so I did have to refill it like maybe 2.5 times, but it saved so much time and it was less of a hassle to just be able to pick up the hair and go. Once I had it all prepped out, this is what it's looking like. I had the braiding hair on the armrest of my chair. This is what we're looking like after day 1. I think I worked on it for about 2 hours and then I stopped. I honestly just didn't want to go full out and just finish it. But these are some clips of me showing you guys how I'm feeding in the hair and how I seal. The hair that you're feeding in, something that I found that was very helpful was to make sure I added some Shine and Jam to the part that I'm feeding in to braid down. It goes into the hair a little more seamless, and then I like to tie a knot to seal it off and ending it with some cumin curly hair. So this is day 2. As you guys can see, I had about 3 rows done and complete, and this is what we're looking like later on that day. Y'all, this style came together so cute, but I am going to show you one more time how I feed in the hair and how I make it bohoed out. If you want your roots to be sleek, start with Shine and Jam Gel, a product that will sleek your hair down. You're going to start with that. I like to mold it and then grab my braiding hair and my human hair. This is what that looks like. And this is the wig that I cut up, y'all. Like, that's how much hair I had left. And I'm just going to start working my way down. No 2 plaits are the same except for my front ones. I'm going to plait down my real hair a few times. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some of my human hair because I wanted the curly pieces to start sooner. And then I'm just going to take that curly piece and put it aside once I plait down 1 to 2 times to make sure it's secured. Once I do that, I then add my braiding hair because I didn't want it to be too bulky at the top. So I didn't add the braiding hair until after my first human hair piece. Then I'm going to continue that process about 2 more times, feeding in. And I do small pieces of the braiding hair so it feeds in a little more seamless. If you feed in a bigger piece hair than what your thickness of your hair is, you're going to be able to notice it. Once I get to the end of my hair, I do go back in and add a little bit more of my Shine and Jam to make sure that braid continues to look seamless. And then I would add another human hair piece. And that's all I did for this plait because I did do a little bit thicker size human hair pieces in the front just for a fuller look to match the back. And then at the end, I'm going to go in with my last human piece when I have about maybe 3 centimeters left of braiding hair. Add in that human hair, plait it down like normal. And then once it gets thin of the braiding hair, I'm going to take it out, seal it with a knot, and then we're good to go. I did not dip the hair. I didn't really have to. I didn't have that much braiding hair left with my human hair in. And if I did, I just simply cut it off like I'm about to show you all in the next few clips. But that is all I did. It did take me about 2 days. I pre-sectioned my hair half of day 1. And then I started on it a little of the second half. And then I finished it the next day. If I wanted to, I could have knocked this out in 1 day. But I was just fine walking around with my knotless real hair. But this is what we're looking like. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up, comment down below what y'all think. Like, I love the way it came out. I love the density. I love the fullness. It is exactly what I wanted. If you want it more full, use the same steps and add more human hair. But that is it for this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. We're coming with videos like this almost every week. All right, like, I'm sorry, y'all got to get into this ponytail. I've been seeing this style and I know I wanted to try it for myself. I hope you try it on yourself too. If you do, comment down below, let me know. Also, please feel free to follow my TikTok and my knotless hair journey. I'm gonna be posting videos on there, giving updates, what I think, you know, what they looking like. We're gonna be doing all of that. All of my socials are linked down below. But yeah. That's it for this video. The rest of it is just me playing around in the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
can do your hair yourself and give me everything I wanted to give.